give me a chance to explain.
Explain what? How you stole our jockey to ride Avatar?
Look, Tina came to my dad and asked for a ton of money. He said yes. I didn't think she'd do that.
You didn't think at all.
I thought about us. My dad said if I spoke to Tina, he'd leave us alone.
Leave us alone to do what? Laugh about how you stabbed the Ritters in the back?
I didn't stab them in the back.
You set it in motion. Deal with the consequences.
This is so screwed up. Plus, my sister's flipping out. She wants me to help her.
Well, why don't you?
Because my dad's at the bottom of that, too.
So what? Your dad controls everything that you do.
No, not anymore. I won't let him come between us. If I have to choose between him or you, I choose you.
No,
I'm not going to run away from this.
Well, I'm not going to let you leave your family because of me.
I can. I'll get an apartment in town. We can live there.
Can't.
You can. Look, Chris, I'll pay.
It's not about the money. It's my life. And the Ritters have put so much faith into me. I can't screw this up, Junior. I can't.
You won't. I'll help you.
No. It's just gonna make your dad madder and the Ritters more upset.
I told you, I don't care about him. You've seen it. My family is a farce.
Mine isn't. I'm so sorry. I can't see you anymore.
I thought this is what you wanted. I thought you loved me.
I do. Oh.